Hello and welcome to the Blue Wolf channel. Today we're going to have another installment in my series on the money mindset. For those that are new to my channel here, the money mindset series is devoted to the young people in my life, hoping to get them a head start so they don't have to be wage slaves their entire lives. I've done a number of book and exercises in this series that I recommend going back to. And today I've got another book that I'm going to recommend, but it is strictly for beginners. So if you have no investing experience whatsoever and don't really understand money, how to get ahead in life, this is a great place to start. This particular book is a little dated. It was written in the mid-90s, so some of the terminology and the methods he describes are, well, they've changed. Anyway, the book is Learn to Earn by Peter Lynch and John Rothschild. Peter Lynch, if you're not familiar with him, was the head of a very, very successful investing firm, mutual funds, in the late 80s and into the 90s. He averaged something like 29% a year return on his profits, and he made his clients billions of dollars. So the guy kind of knows what he's talking about. But again, the book was written in, I think, 1996. So he talks about how the pricing of stocks and anything that's traded on the exchanges is done in fractional money. In 2001, that changed, and now everything's actual dollar amounts instead of, $1.08. It's actually $1.14. That kind of thing. Also, some of the company examples he gives are also rather dated. Like he mentions Kodak a few times. Well, they've been out of business for a few years now, but they were a giant company in the time that he was writing it. In fact, for almost 100 years before that. But anyway, aside from a few things being dated, the actual information in it is very, very good for a beginning investor, somebody that's just starting to get into it. First off, pay yourself. Put a portion of what you make away every time you get paid, every time you come into some kind of money. Put some away, put it away to invest, not just stick it in a savings account or something like that. You want to actually get into an investment, be it either stocks, or in my case I've got stocks and real estate and a few other things going on. But get the money, put it to work, and as Albert Einstein and a number of other brilliant people through history have pointed out, compounding interest is the wonder of the world. I mean, it just start young, keep putting money in, and as it grows and compounds on itself, it's amazing what happens. It seems like you're growing real slow at first, which you are, but as it gets bigger and bigger, it's getting exponentially bigger. That's what you want to do. That's how true fortunes are made in this investing world. A little later in the book, he gets into a bit more detail on, how to start an investment account. I'm going to have another video on that. Basically, I suggest, if you're brand new to investing, I'm not your broker, I'm not your financial advisor or anything, but I would go to Schwab, get their Think or Swim trading platform. It's an application that it works best on a laptop or a PC, but there is a phone version, but the phone version just is really stripped down. It doesn't work as well as a laptop. But anyway, get that, and they have a paper money side to it. So if you want to just toy around with investing, trying to get some information, they've got excellent research stuff on this is all free, by the way. You can trade in paper money, see if you would make money. They have back testing stuff there. In fact, I'm going to do a whole video on this coming up later, but read the book, get familiar with the principles behind investing, how to judge what a company is worth. It's all math. It's not that hard. It's simple math, actually. And, just wade in. You don't have to put any real money in it. So, like I said, read the book, go to Schwab or basically any other broker, but the Thinkorswim platform is very easy, it's free, and it's just better than any other trading platform I've seen for a beginner. You can do some pretty advanced stuff in some other platforms, but they expect a baseline of knowledge, where Thinkorswim, you don't have to have that. You can get in and do it on the paper side and have at it. There's all kinds of tools to play with, and there's also hundreds of videos that will teach you how to do everything in it. And they have a help desk that you can call, and they'll be happy to help you. Again, it's all free. So, again, this is for basic beginner investors, specifically the ones in my family, but anybody else that wants to come along for the ride, great. Appreciate you taking the time to watch, and I really hope that you do what I say in some of these videos and shorten your path from being a wage slave to being, retired and rather well off. Have a good day, and if you like the information and like the video, please hit those like and subscribe buttons down below. Thank you. Good day.